Think about what Apple just did behind closed doors. For years, tech companies have tried to sell us on the idea that bigger is always better. Massive phones that stretch your pockets, giant tablets that require a kickstand, and laptops that weigh down your entire backpack. But quietly, in the hidden labs of Cupertino, Apple is reversing the trend. They are building something that shouldn't logically exist. A device that bridges the absolute peak of pocket-sized mobility with the raw, unchecked power of a desktop computer. This isn't just another minor refresh. This is the complete re-engineering of the compact powerhouse. This is the unannounced, heavily leaked Apple iPad mini 8, and it is designed to completely disrupt how you think about personal computing. To understand why this specific device is causing a literal civil war among tech analysts and supply chain insiders, you have to look at the history of the iPad mini itself. For generations, Apple treated the mini like a forgotten stepchild. They would launch a model, leave it on the shelves to gather dust for 3 or 4 years without a single update, and then suddenly drop a minor processor bump when everyone had already moved on. But something massive shifted inside Apple's strategy room. They realized that a highly vocal, incredibly dedicated segment of the population doesn't want an 11-inch or a 13-inch giant slab of glass. Pilots tracking navigation in tight cockpits, medical professionals moving from room to room, elite mobile gamers who need absolute precision control, and digital nomads who travel with nothing but a small sling bag. They all demanded uncompromising power in an 8-inch form factor. And with the iPad mini 8, Apple is finally delivering that killer blow. The first massive secret hidden within the leaked schematics involves a radical transformation of the most important component on any tablet, the display. Since its inception, the iPad mini has relied on traditional liquid crystal displays. This resulted in the infamous jelly scrolling issue that plagued previous models, where one side of the screen updated fractionally slower than the other, causing a noticeable, irritating wobble when scrolling through text. Apple tried to fix this with software tweaks, but the underlying hardware limitation remained. The iPad mini 8 destroys this limitation forever by migrating to a custom-engineered organic light-emitting diode panel, or OLED. Think about what that actually means for your eyes. Traditional screens use a giant, uniform backlight that pushes light through every single pixel from behind. When you look at a dark movie scene or read text at night, the black areas are never truly black. They are a muddy, glowing dark gray because that backlight is always bleeding through. With the iPad mini 8's new OLED matrix, every single one of the millions of pixels on that compact display produces its own independent light. When a pixel needs to show black, it doesn't just dim, it completely shuts off. The power consumption drops to absolute zero for that specific zone, resulting in infinite contrast ratios. Text will look like it is sharply printed directly onto the glass. Dark cinematic thrillers will have a depth that draws you completely into the frame. But Apple didn't just stop at changing the display technology. The internal supply chain leaks from Samsung Display confirm that they are shrinking the physical bezels around the screen to the narrowest margins ever seen on a tablet. By shaving millimeters off the black borders, Apple is pulling off a brilliant design trick. The physical